What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Scale Router Collective. In front of us we have the box for the MPC Cobra Trike, a part of the Trick Trike series. If you guys don't know, I've built this before box stock. Here's what it looks like. It's a pretty neat kit. Goes together pretty easy. This time around I thought I'd do something a little bit different and try customizing it a little bit. So I'll go ahead and tell you what I did. So as you see from the box art and the actual model itself that I've already built, you can see how the seats go. You got 2 seats in each Cobra and 1 seat in the middle for the driver, making this a 3-seater trike. This time around, I figured I'd do something a little bit different. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did. Again, for reference, this is how your parts come right off the sprue, as you see. I went ahead and cut my Cobras off. So, as you see, I've even modified this one a little bit more. And as you see, I sanded it down. It did have a little bit of a mold line in it. You can still kind of see it, but it's not as bad as it was. Anyways, I cut the Cobras off the side, and I'm going to try to use this single Cobra as the only seat. So this is taking it from a 3-seater to a single-seater, but I'm thinking something like that. So we already just cut it right along the creases there, and then I filed it down with an emery board, just a cheap one from the dollar store. So you can kind of get an idea of what all I've cut off. So I just cut right around here. And that was just using a cheap saw from Walmart. Just this hyper tough mini hacksaw. As you see, it still has some styrene on it. I've cut 2 bodies now. This is my first time cutting a chopper. The first body I cut was the 32 Ford monogram kit. But I already glued the Cobra head on the seat. Not sure what color I'm going to go for, but maybe if you guys have any suggestions, leave it down in the comments. What kind of colors would look good on it. But this is just where we're at right now. Still have to build the frame and the motor and everything. Just thought I would give you guys a little update of what I'm working on and what's on the bench. Thank you guys for checking out the channel, hitting that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everybody who stops by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.